Figma: how to change text style. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Figma is heavily used for UI, branding, and graphic design projects where typography plays a major role. Users want to learn how to customize fonts, colors, and styles to create more polished designs. To change the text style in Figma, begin by heading over to your desktop and double-clicking the colorful Figma icon to open the application. Once Figma launches, open the specific design file you want to work on from your dashboard. After the file loads, locate the text layer on your canvas that you want to customize and click on it once to select it. If you only want to apply changes to certain words instead of the entire text box, double-click inside the text layer and drag your cursor across the specific text you want to highlight. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. Scroll downward until you find the section labeled Typography, which contains all the styling controls for your selected layer. Click the Font Name drop-down menu to browse through your installed fonts and choose a new typeface that better matches your design. Right below the font menu, click the Weight drop-down to switch between styles such as light, regular, bold, or black, depending on the appearance you want. To adjust the text size, locate the number box near the alignment settings and either type in a new size manually or drag your mouse across the value to quickly scale the text larger or smaller. If you want to change the color of the text, scroll slightly lower to the Fill section and click the small colored square swatch. Select a new color from the pop-up color picker or paste in a specific hex code if you already know the exact shade you need. To save these settings as a reusable style, click the icon with 4 dots in the typography section header. Press the plus sign in the pop-up menu. Type a name for your new text style and click Create Style. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background to close the menus and preview your updated design. Check the top of the screen to confirm your file is synced. Then press Ctrl+S or Command+S on Mac for extra peace of mind.